Hey friends, I have some of the best smoked chicken wings. I have two flavors for you that I'm going to make today. One of them is a sweet and hot, and it can be very hot if you want it. And then there's a lemon pepper with a mango pineapple twist that you guys are going to love. I'll have all of your ingredients listed below. So let's get started. So first you want to wash your wings, of course, as always. You want to use some lemon and some vinegar to wash your wings. And right now I'm making a seasoning blend. And the blend that I'm making is Cajun seasoning, granulated garlic, granulated onion, salt, creole seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon, paprika, and a little bit of Sazon. That's what's all going in there into this mix. And I'm going to stir to combine. I will have all the quantities listed below. And I guesstimate everything that I do just about, because there's no real science when it comes to cooking, but I will give you the best combination numbers that I can come up with to make it. So anyway, we're going to start with the chicken, the lemon pepper mango pineapple, and I put some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, some lemon pepper on there, and now I'm adding in the sunshine all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to mix to combine, and then I'm going to put it all in a Ziploc, and I'm going to let it marinate in this seasoning for about 30 minutes. And you guys, if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to do that right now. You need to smash that button, okay? So next, I'm going to do the sweet and spicy wing. And so that seasoning blend that you see me make earlier, I am actually putting it all across this chicken, these chicken wings. And then I'm going to add a little bit more caliente to it, because I want it to be a little bit more spicy, on the spicier side. And I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper, and I also added in some more smoked paprika and some brown sugar. That's my sweet element. So I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil to combine. I'm going to put this in I'm actually just going to cover this with some saran wrap, because I have more wings on this side, because I know my daughter and them love really, really spicy wings. So they're going to be taking a majority of them. Oh my God, I'm out of frame. My bad, you guys, my bad. Anyway, I am going to be putting these on my pellet grill, and the pellets that I'm using is fruit tree pellets, hickory and oak blend as well. I think those flavors give a really wonderful flavor to smoking the meat. So now that it's marinating, now I'm putting it all on the pellet grill smoker, and I'm just lining them up. And then once this goes down, I'm just gonna let them cook until they reach an internal temperature of 165, and then I will pull these wings off. I love it that they have a little thermometer that I can just stick into the wings and move on, and it's, I love the pellet grill actually, but I actually shot a lot of videos for you guys. So this is a little bit of a series. So you'll see me dropping you some hamburgers and some turkey burgers and some other wonderful stuff. But anyway, these are done. And guess what? I am plating them up for you guys. I want you to try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.